In this video, I'm going to share with you how to download and install Microsoft Edge browser on Mac operating system. So all you need to do is to come to your browser and just type google.com. Then you can come over here and type Edge browser just like so. And you can just click on it. The first one, Microsoft. Alright, so it is going to pop up that you should download for macOS because now I'm on Mac operating system. So you can just click on download for macOS. If you have another Windows, you can just click on this and you can see you can download for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, or even Windows Server 2016. So but mine at this point is macOS. So I just click to download and you can say Mac with Intel chip, which is the one I have. You can just go ahead and say accept and download and you say thank you. Your download will start shortly. And you can see it over here. Once I closed, my download is going on over here. You can see it is .pkg file, which is usually the executable file for Mac operating system. Alright, so it has just finished the download. So you can just click to install. You just click to start the installation. You can see the processes, introduction, destination, selection, installation type, installation, and then summary. So you just click on continue. And it is just going to install just like so. So you have to put your password. Alright, so it's going to install it just like so. And it has just finished the installation. You can close. You can move. You have the option to keep the installer or you can move it to the bin. I think I'd rather keep it for future use. Okay, so to see your newly installed Microsoft Edge or Edge browser is you just come over here. You can see it just started automatically. You can just close on these and close on these and you can see it has just kick-started automatic. Right, so you can see it. You can just accept the cookies and you can click to complete the setup. Just confirm, just continue without signing in and accept these cookies. And you can see a brand new Microsoft Edge browser. You can see it. You can just click on next to just accept everything and you can just get started. You can start browsing things on your own and you can see it very nicely done and fantastically. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit about how to download and install Edge browser on Mac operating system. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.